Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a sales pipeline in HubSpot. A sales pipeline helps you organize and track your deals from initial contact all the way through to closing, giving you a clear visual overview of where every opportunity stands in your sales process. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to HubSpot.com. Sign into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one or start a free trial, which is perfect for getting familiar with the platform. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the HubSpot dashboard, which is your central hub for managing all your CRM activities. Now let's navigate to where you'll build your pipeline. Look over to the left sidebar and hover over the menu labeled CRM. From the options that appear, click on Deals. This is where all your sales opportunities live and where you'll create your custom pipeline structure. On the right side of your screen, you'll see a button named Create Deal. Go ahead and click on it. A pop-up window will appear asking if you need help getting started or if you'd prefer to set things up yourself. Click I'll set up myself to take full control of the process. A right side panel will now appear. This is your workspace for building out your deal pipeline. The first thing you'll need to do is enter a name for this pipeline in the provided field. Choose something that clearly identifies what this pipeline is for, whether it's your main sales pipeline or something more specific like new business or renewals. Next, you'll add or edit the stages of your pipeline. On the pipeline editor, use the drop-down arrow to choose your deal stages. For each stage, enter a clear descriptive name that reflects where the deal is in your process. Common stages include appointment scheduled, qualified to buy, presentation scheduled, decision maker bought in, closed won, and closed lost. These stages help you track progress and forecast revenue more accurately. After setting up your stages, you'll see a field for the closing date. This is where you'll input when the deal was closed or is expected to close. Then, use the drop-down menus to assign the deal owner and set the deal priority. The deal owner is the team member responsible for moving the deal forward, and priority helps you focus on what matters most. Finally, click the Save or Save Pipeline button to store your configuration. Your sales pipeline is now live and ready to use. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.